Hello, my crafty friends. It's Nikki here at Still Waters, and I've been thinking about an idea, and I'm circling the drain with it. So I really thought I would just reach out to all of you and get some feedback and some thoughts. So let me tell you what I've been considering for the last month or so. I'm considering starting a Wreath Supplies subscription box, and so what my vision is that I would create a subscription box that would be mailed to you monthly for a pretty reasonable fee. And in that box would include corresponding sign, deco mesh, and ribbon. And then you'd be able to create with me via a live video. And this is something that would be non-committal, so you could cancel anytime. But I really feel like that would be a lot of fun. I get a ton of questions about supplies and materials from all of you, which I so love. But I'm really thinking about starting a subscription membership. So tell me what you think. So let me know yes or no in the comments below. You won't hurt my feelings. And if you think yes, would you like to see that monthly or quarterly? Help me decide, friends. Drop your comment below. Thanks.